These are the ingredients you will need for this recipe: butternut squash puree, homemade or store-bought, garlic, olive oil, arborio rice, parmesan cheese, vegetable broth, homemade or store-bought, turmeric, and nutmeg. If making butternut squash puree at home, cut the butternut in half and scoop out the seeds. Rub the cut side with olive oil, place them face down on a pan lined with parchment paper, and bake them at 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. When the butternut is finished roasting, scoop out as much flesh needed for the recipe. Peel and mince the garlic. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and saute for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the arborio rice and stir to coat. Cook for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the turmeric and stir to combine. Cook for another 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the vegetable broth 1 cup at a time. Cook until liquid is absorbed, stirring frequently. After about 25 minutes, when the rice is creamy, not soupy, and soft but still al dente, remove it from the heat. Add the butternut squash puree, parmesan cheese, and nutmeg. Season with salt and pepper and stir to combine. Now give it a try! Thanks for watching!